Welcome back to Bike Hub, your go-to spot for everything two wheels. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the highly anticipated 2025 Aprilia Tuono number 660, a machine that blends Italian design, sharp performance, and everyday practicality into one thrilling package. If you are looking for a middleweight street fighter with racing DNA, this might just be your next dream bike. So let's throttle in. Design and styling. First things first, the design. The 2025 Tuono number 660 keeps its aggressive street fighter stance but comes with subtle refinements that make it even sharper. Aprilia's signature triple LED headlamp remains, flanked by aggressive fairings and aerodynamic winglets that are now slightly redesigned for better airflow. The bike looks compact, muscular, and undeniably Italian. Engine and performance. Under the hood, or rather the tank, the Tuono number 660 packs a 659 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine derived from Aprilia's Rs 660. It's tuned for street performance, pushing out an impressive 100 horsepower and around 67 Newton meters of torque. Lightweight and high revving, this engine is perfect for both city streets and twisty backroads. Electronics and rider aids. Aprilia doesn't hold back when it comes to electronics, and the Tuono number 660 is a prime example. The 2025 model continues with its advanced Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC) suite. You get multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, engine braking control, and even cruise control, all customizable via a crisp full-color TFT display. Chassis and handling. Handling is where the Tuono number 660 truly shines. The lightweight aluminum frame and swing arm are race-derived, giving the bike incredible agility. Weighing in at just 183 kilograms wet, it's nimble and flickable, perfect for urban carving or canyon chasing. Braking and safety. Braking is handled by Brembo components, with dual 320mm discs up front and a single 220mm disc at the rear. The feel is sharp and progressive, perfect for quick stops or late braking into corners. Dual channel ABS is standard, and the IMU-based cornering ABS is available on higher trims. Comfort and ergonomics. Unlike its track-focused sibling, the Rs 660, the Tuono number 660 offers a more upright riding position with higher handlebars and a more relaxed seat. The 2025 model sees a slight improvement in seat cushioning and a better tank design that offers more thigh grip, small tweaks, but they enhance long ride comfort. Fuel efficiency and range. Sport bikes aren't known for mileage, but the Tuono number 660 manages a decent 20 to 22 kilometers per liter thanks to its efficient parallel twin engine. With a 15-liter fuel tank, you can expect a riding range of around 300 kilometers on mixed conditions. Not bad for a bike with this much punch. Variants and pricing. Aprilia offers the 2025 Tuono number 660 in two variants, the standard and the factory version. The factory variant gets you better suspension, a quick shifter, and enhanced electronics, all performance-focused goodies. As for pricing, expect the Tuono number 660 to be priced around 14.5 lakh rupees, ex-showroom India, for the base version and a bit higher for the factory trim. Yes, it's premium, but you are getting a machine loaded with tech, style, and performance that can compete with anything in the segment. Competition. In terms of rivals, the Tuono number 660 faces off against the Yamaha R7 Kawasaki Z650 Triumph Trident 660 and the Honda CB650R. While those bikes offer strong value, The Tuono number 660 leads in terms of features, technology, and race-inspired character. It's not just a bike, it's a statement. Conclusion. If you are looking for a bike that delivers raw power, razor-sharp handling, daily usability, and Italian flair, the Tuono number 660 is a fantastic choice. It's not just built to ride, it's built to thrill. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a serious enthusiast, this middleweight monster ticks all the right boxes. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.